Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the continuation of the lesson 7. And the last class we saw about the climate and the adaptation. Now, what are the regions are present? Tropical regions are present. We are going to find out here. Okay, tropical region and polar region. We are going to study that elaborately. First, we are going to see about the polar region. Here, how the climate will be means it will be in extreme climate, that is, it is fully covered with snow. It is very cold for most part of the year. For 6 months, the sun does not set at the poles. For other 6 months, sun does not rise at all. Okay, in winters, temperature will be minus 37 degrees Celsius. Here, animals live according to their this severe condition. Let us see what are the animals live. Best example is polar bears and penguins, because it has the white fur, so it can easily protect in the white background. See here the picture of the polar bear. Okay, and the things are given for the polar bear. It is white fur, you cannot visible in the snow white background, and it has this very strong sense of smell. It can smell it easily, and it is a very good swimmer. It helps to locate and catch its prey. Prey means its food. It has long, curved, and short claws. These help it to walk on ice because of its how its feet is present. Look out here. So using this, it walks very fast in the snow, and it has a layer of fat under its skin. The fat insulates its body from cold, and it always keep it warm. Next, we are going to see about the penguins. See the penguins. Two penguins are huddled together to keep warm. We also, for example, if so many peoples are present in the hall, how we feel warm, no? Same wise, penguins are huddled together to keep it as warm. Next, see the feet of penguin, how it is present. It is suited to walk in the snow. And some other polar regions animals are many types of fishes, musk oxen, reindeers, foxes, seals, whales, sea lookout here and all present. And some type of migratory birds also will be there. They migrate to warmer region when winter starts. For example, Bharatpur in Rajasthan and Sultanpur in Haryana and some other parts of northeast and Tamil Nadu or some other parts of India. Okay, you come to know what is mean by polar region now. Polar region is just nothing that according to that region, animals will be present. Example, polar bear and penguin. Some other animals also present. And how it is fixed to that condition, that is adapted to that climate, we come to know. Next, we will see about the tropical rainforest. How here will be means will be hot because because of its location around the equator. We know that equator around present means it will be very hot. Even in the coldest month also, temperature is higher than 15 degrees Celsius, and during hot summer it is 40 degrees Celsius. Day and night will be almost equal throughout the year. It gets plenty of rainfall in this region, and where we can find out this tropical rainforest means in Western Ghats, in India, Assam, Southeast Asia, Central America, and in Central Africa. In these places, we can able to see this tropical rainforest region and see major types of animals living here. They have given what are they? Monkeys, apes, gorillas, tigers, elephants, leopards, lizards, snakes, birds, and insects. Here the climate is very hot and humid. So there is a competition for food and shelter. Many animals are adapted to living on the tree. See, some of the animals are given here. What? See, red-eyed frog. Have you seen this one? Next, see the monkey, New World monkey, this one, and many type of elephants are present. Since here there is a competition for food. Some animals are adapted to get food not easily reachable and they are suffering, but some other animals are getting easy. Birds are given long-tailed macaw, this is one animal. See, toucan, one type of different bird. See, elephant and Indian elephant. Okay, in this class we saw about the two regions, polar region and tropical rainforest region, and what are the animals present here, how the types of animals are migrating and different types of animals are there. It is adapting according to the climate and getting its food. You will get this worksheet as a PDF, write the answer and send it to 7th Science Naps group, timing from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Thank you, students.